How's it going, everyone? Razer here with another unboxing, and today I would like to show you the Razer Viper Ultimate Cyberpunk Edition. I fell in love with this mouse when I first saw it. I love the yellow colors on it. I love the yellow cyberpunk theme with the blue. Actually, it's like more of a cyan color, and it just looks amazing. So as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to at least give it a try, see how it looks, see how it fits into my desk. And today this is not a review, by the way. This is just a quick unboxing to see what's inside, how the mouse looks, but you can probably expect a review to come up in a few days, as soon as I get to know the mouse better, play with it a bit more, test it out in some shooters and see how it fares against my other mouse that I have been currently testing. This is a side note, but it's a Logitech G Pro version which I'm testing currently, and you can expect the review to come up soon as well. So the Razer Viper Ultimate has been on the market for quite some time now, so everyone should be fully aware of what the product is like and what its the specs are. But if you're not aware, this is a Razer Pro version, let's call it a pro grade mouse, wireless mouse. It has 76 grams of weight. It has also memory profiles that can store your onboard settings, and it's optical mouse. So instead of having a mechanical switch, this one has optical switches, and I see more and more companies trying out the new optical technology in their mice. So it can be quite interesting, and let's see how it goes, because I already have optical switches in my keyboard and they're great, they're fantastic, and I would like to see how the optical switches fare in this mouse and how they compare to the non-optical ones, so traditional mechanical ones. Okay, but without any further ado, this is the box. It has a lot of yellow accents on it. You can clearly see it's a cyberpunk themed mouse, and if you don't, there's a lot of cyberpunk things on it here. So it looks great. I mean, the yellow color, the neon yellow color is just fantastic. It looks amazing. This is the back of the box. It comes also with a yellow charging dock. The normal charging dock is black. This one comes with a yellow charging dock, so it should also look fantastic on your desk if you're more into that, neon-y style, more RGB style of things. That will definitely look great. It has a 2-year warranty, which is great. 1 year more than you usually get with Razer products, but I guess the 2 years warranty is slowly becoming a standard for Razer as well. Okay, so without further ado, let's skip the intro and just get straight to the unboxing experience. Okay, so this is how the box opens. And now the most important parts of the mouse. Let's open it. Wow, nice box. Everything is nicely packaged. Look at the mouse. Look at the yellow color. It's just amazing. Alright, so the first thing we'll have a look at is the yellow charging dock. It comes on all yellow with a black bottom, pretty standard stuff. So it has these pogo pins here that you connect your mouse to and they charge through it. I really think more mice manufacturers should take example from Razer and include some kind of charging dock for their mouse with connectors like that. I mean, it's just such a convenient solution for you to charge your mouse overnight or whenever you're not using it. It's amazing, and big thumbs up to Razer for doing this. All right, so let's put it somewhere here. Maybe so you can still look at it, the yellow, neon yellow color. And now the mouse itself. Okay, let's take it out. Ooh, that's very light. I really like it. The rubberized sides, I don't know, it's probably the same on the standard Viper edition, but they are just awesome. Look at it, looks amazing. And the top, Cyberpunk branding here, Cyberpunk 2077, and some Cyberpunk accents on the buttons as well. Looks pretty good. I mean, the main thing about the mouse I really like is the color theme, the black and yellow with a touch of blue here. Originally I thought that the blue here that you see on the scroll wheel, I thought it was a LED lighting, but it seems that this is just a blue, like a paint, I guess, painted over here to the side. This is what the mouse looks at the bottom, just the standard Viper Ultimate stuff, nothing out of the ordinary. And let's take it off. Okay, this is where you can store your USB dongle. Let's take it out. I'm curious how it will hold up, if the yellow coating will go off or not. I mean, this is more like a collector's edition product anyway, so you probably, if you're into collecting mice, you probably don't want to get it out of your box so it doesn't lose any value and so on, like the usual collector stuff. I'm not sure. I think I will use it daily. I mean, it's a great mouse, it looks great, and the performance is up there, so definitely going to give it a try. But that's not all of the things that are included in the box. Let's see what else is there. Just gonna, while we're at it, I'm just gonna plug the USB receiver here, put that back here in case I lose it. Okay, stay here for a moment. Now, some pamphlets, Unleash Your True Potential, great stuff. Okay, we're not gonna bother with that. This is the usual stuff you get with every basically electronic device here. Oh, there's a cable here as well. It's not a USB-C, I was wrong. This is standard USB. Still doesn't matter for me, as I will probably charge it on the dock. So if even it's standard USB, that's fine. I wish it could be USB-C, but well, we can't have everything, it seems. This is the standard USB connector with green accents on it. Right. So let's leave it here. So that's basically it. I wish they included some kind of, more cyberpunk themed items, like stickers, I don't know, and anything that would make it still more stand out, but I guess it doesn't get better than that. I mean, cyberpunk here, screaming at you with the yellow neon color. Great stuff. Alright, let's also do a quick sound test to hear how the buttons sound. Let's do a quick spin, show you how the mouse looks from all the angles. Fantastic look. I'm sorry if I sound like a fanboy, but really, I just love the looks of this mouse. That's amazing. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'll try to answer all of them, and I will definitely give this mouse a try, see how it plays, see how it feels. This is my first encounter with the Razer Viper, so definitely expect some opinions about it, and we'll check how it compares with this guy. Okay, thanks guys. I'm Laser. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon.